How to find out recently deleted apps from Google Play Store. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Play Store. Here we go. At the top right corner, you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. Different options will pop up. Select the option of Manage Apps and Device. Now over here, you can find this option of Manage. Tap on it. Now here you will get different sections as installed, updates available and games. In install section you will find all the apps that are installed in your device. Now how to find the deleted apps? All you have to do is tap on that drop down of installed. You will get this option of not installed. Tap on it. Now these are the apps that were in your device but you have recently deleted it. In order to know the recently deleted, you can tap on this option of name. Select the option recently added. Those apps that appear in the top are the apps that have recently deleted from your Google Play Store. So this is how you can easily find out recently deleted apps from your Google Play Store. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.